Assalamu alaikum students, this is your teacher Miss Hina Mansoor. I am teaching you maths chapter number 1 operation on sets. To define the necessary things of sets, I am prepared a presentation. So first I am going to define you what is set. The concept of set is used for the foundation of various topics in mathematics. To learn set, we often talk about the collection of objects such as set of vowels, set of negative numbers, a group of friends, a list of fruits, a bunch of keys, etc. So what is a set? The collection of distinct and well-defined objects or numbers are called set. What is distinct? What is the meaning of distinct with the word distinct? Same thing should not repeat more than once. It's called the distinct. And what is well-defined means the word with having a proper meaning is called well-defined. As an example, I am taking a word roof and I am writing is as a set. So set A are the elements of R double O F. So if we see the set A has two elements which are repeated. So we can say that it's not a set because it is not this a distinct set. Okay? But if we are taking another word bag, so in the word bag, if we are writing it as a set A B A G bag, the word bag जो है वो repeat भी नहीं हो रहा है, they are not repeating their elements और ये एक precise meaning भी है. ठीक है, एक वेल डिफाइंड वर्ड भी है. तो हम ये कह सकते हैं कि रूफ जो है वो एक सेट नहीं बना सकता, लेकिन बैग जो है वो वर्ड जो है वो एक सेट बना सकता है. इसी तरह से द कलेक्शन ऑफ ऑल द इंटेलिजेंट चिल्ड्रन इन क्लास 7 डज नॉट रिप्रेजेंट अ सेट बिकॉज द वर्ड इंटेलिजेंट is different meaning. What may appear intelligent to one person may not appear the same to the another person. Okay, but we can say the collection of children is class 7 whose weight exceeds 35 kilograms represent a set. Okay, now come to the elements and members of set. The numbers in a set are called its members. The different objects that form a set are called the elements of a set. The elements of a set are written in any order and are not repeated. ठीक है? For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3 are the elements of set A. How is set represented? A set can be represented in three forms. Number 1, descriptive form. Number 2, set builder form. And number 3, tabular form. Descriptive form. A set is described in descriptive terms or in a form of statement. When we are writing a statement in a form of set is called the descriptive form of text. For example, a set A is equal to first 5 natural numbers. I am not writing here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I am writing first 5 natural number, the statement. So it is the statement form or descriptive form. Another set A is equal to set of cricket players, or we can also write group of games, set of games. Okay. What are tabular forms? A set with the elements of set written directly. When we are writing directly to the set is called the tabular form. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. And set A is equal to hockey, cricket and football. In the descriptive form, we are writing set of cricket players or set of games. But in tabular form, we write hockey, cricket, football, the names of the games. Okay? What are set builder forms? In the set builder form, we write the rules. A set written as a rule is called the set builder form. For example, set A is equal to x colon. This colon side indicates such that x is a natural number and x is less than 6. It means s is equal to the numbers 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all the numbers, but we are not writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and we are writing in the form of rules. So this is called the set builder form. Now set operations. What are set operations? We will inshallah learn in the other class, and differently I